Here we see one more example in the simple interest is a man lends 10,000 rupees in 4 parts. If he gets 8% on 2,000, 7.5% on 4,000 and 8.5% on 1,400, what percent must he get for the remainder? And his average annual interest is 8.13. Here he is given 10,000 in 4 parts. One is 2,000, 4,000, 1,400, and rest you have to find out by summing and minusing this from the 10,000. So then rate of interest is first he has given 8,000. 8%, and second is 7.5%, and third is 8.5%. And then the fourth one, how much the amount is left, that is at what rate he has given, that is the question we have to find out. And his annual income on 10,000 and average he has got 8.13%. So let us go into the questions more details in this. Here he lends 10,000 in 4 parts. That let us call them as S1, S2, SI1, SI2, SI3 and SI4. Simple interest earned. And rate of interest is R1, R2, R3 and R4 for the rate of interest. And time is all the 1 year, N is equal 1 year. So P1 is equal 2,000, P2 is equal 4,000, P3 is equal 1,400, P4 is equal 10,000 minus these amounts is equal 2,600. The rate of interest is 2,000 at 8%, 4,000 for 7.5%, 1,400 for 8.5%. Then P4 2,600 at what rate is given, you have to find out. Average annual interest rate is 8.13. That is average, means on 10,000 straight he has given. If he gives at 8.13%, that is interest is equal to this all this S1, S2, S3, S4 sum. So P is equal to 10,000 total interest, total investment, and N is equal to 1. That is for calculating annual SI. So SI 1 is equal to 2,000 into 1 into 8 by 100. SIT is equal to 4,000 into 1 into 7.5 by 100. S3 is equal to 1,400 into 1 into 8.5 by 100. S4 is equal to 2,600 into 1 into R4 by 100. And the average interest, that is given. That see, this is simple interest. For an average on 10,000 you get 10,000 into 1 into 8.13 rate by 100. So the given rule is that this is total S1, S2, S3, S4 sum. On summing we get is equal to average annual simple interest. This is, so this all 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 on summing will get equal to this. The 100 being all the way same, so cancels 100, and this becomes 1,600, this becomes 30,000, this becomes 11,900, this becomes 2,600, R4 to be find out. Then this becomes 81,300. Then this is all these three summing, this one becomes this. Then 2,600 R4 is equal to 81,300 minus 57,900 is equal to 23,400. R4 is equal to 23,400 by 2,600 is equal to 9%. So rate of interest for the remainder amount is 9%. So then therefore if you use the remainder at 9% for this 2,600, then that will be annual rate of interest or annual income. It is average is